Hey guys, it's Miss Walters again. Hope everybody is doing well and staying safe during our quarantine. I just want to talk to you about Monday and what that's going to look like and where you need to go. Um, Monday, how I'm going to do this is you need to go to Google Sites on Monday. Okay, I will be uploading the content for ELA and social studies here on Google Sites. You need to click on the ELA subpage and look at the directions, and also for social studies, okay, this is where I'm going to be uploading, okay, our review materials and what we're going to do for the first week, okay. My directions will be detailed on what you need to do, and some of the things that we have for you to do, you have seen this in class. So Google Slides, making a copy, putting your first and last name as the title, turning it into a Google form, clicking different hyperlinks. You have done all of this in class, okay? You've done it before, you're familiar with it. If you need any help, please reach out to me, or if you want to text a classmate, remember we're holding each other accountable and we're starting group chats and we're communicating, okay? So don't be afraid to reach out to me if you need me. Remember, my contact information is here as well. So my email is here if you guys want to click on it and send me an email. Okay, that is all here. Um, I have uploaded a few things on here. So Instagram, if you have an account and would like to follow me, you can. Remember, that's optional. That's not mandatory. So if you do not have an Instagram, please don't rush to go make one. That is optional because the same things that I'm posting on Instagram will be on the group email, on Remind, and on Google Sites. Okay, so that is optional. You do not have to do that unless you would like to. One Access, so you have access to the ebooks, audiobooks, and online resources of the public library through One Access. So if you click this One Access student flyer, it will show you how to access that and use your CMS student ID. This video, you all should have watched this already. Okay, I was kind of telling you guys what things were going to look like moving forward with digital learning. Okay, and a few of you have already subscribed to my channel. Thank you, I appreciate it. I will be uploading more YouTube videos because I think this is very helpful. You guys looking at my screen and me talking about how our week is going to look like. So just please be on the lookout on Google Sites. On Monday, I will be posting to the ELA and social studies page. Um, Stay safe. Try not to go stir crazy during quarantine. I hope that you have found a good book or you're watching a really good movie or a series. Thank you to those of you that did reach out to me and emailed me and given me suggestions. I really appreciate it. Remember that we're all in this together. Okay, I love you and I miss you guys so much. I wish that we could be back in the classroom and I could see your faces, but this is our reality now, and we're going to make the best of it. Okay, we're going to make it through. So Monday, make sure that you're here on Google Sites. Go to ELA and Social Studies and see what I have updated on there for you to do. Remember, it is review materials only. So you have seen this stuff before, okay? No new content for next week, okay? It's all going to be review. If you need me, please email me, create group chats, text each other. Okay, please be communicating with each other. I think that's very, very important. Okay, love you, miss you guys. Stay safe.